Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Dutch. In this German for Beginners A1 course, Lesson 8, we are going to learn 25 most used verbs in German dialects. In this part 2, I'm Joseph Bolt, your mentor will be with you and together we will try to learn. Before we start, keep in mind that those verbs are frequently used in German dialects and conversation. After memorizing and practicing those verbs, you will feel more confident on making sentences. And in this part 2, we are going to learn 50 verbs in total. So let's start. Number 26th verb is to sit, and in German we say sitzen. Sitzen. The next one is to stand. In German we say stehen. Stehen. And the next one is to keep. In German we say behalten. Behalten. And remember, here L is silent. To cut. Schneiden. Schneiden. To read. To read. Lesen. Lesen. The next word is to throw. In German we say Waffen. Waffen. To break. Bruschen. Bruschen. To carry. Tragen. Tragen. To hold. Halten. Halten. And as you can see, L is silent here too. Halten. To walk. Gehen. Gehen. And the next word is to run. In German we say laufen. Laufen. To beat. Schlagen. Schlagen. To cook. Caution. Caution. To mean. Meinen. Meinen. To drive. Fahren. Fahren. And the next one is to lost. Verlieren. Verlieren. To hide. Verstecken. Verstecken. To promise. Versprechen. Versprechen. To hit. Erhitzen. Erhitzen. To end. To end. Beenden. Beenden. And remember, here D is silent too. Beenden. And our next word is to clean. Putzen. Putzen. To forget. Vergessen. Vergessen. To remember. Erinnern. Erinnern. To wear. To wear. Tragen. Tragen. And it's also similar with the word to carry. And the last one is to open. Öffnen. Öffnen. And that's the ending of 50 words altogether in this part 2. Also keep in mind that in our next class we will learn how to use those verb forms with different personal pronouns. And for example, you can read the following. To sit is equivalent to German sitzen. And with different personal pronouns, it is read as this. I sit Ich sitze. You sit. Du sitzt. He, she, it sits. Er, sie, es sitzt. We sit. Wir sitzen. You all sit. Ihr sitzt. They sit. Sie sitzen. Endnotes. Please practice properly and contact me on the comment box if you face any problem. If you have missed our earlier lesson, which is very important, then please check it from the end screen and from the description too. And I hope you all will inspire us by sharing our videos and subscribing to this channel of German Lehrer. Tschüss!